The Keurig coffee maker, and there's a
no.
and a $50 gift card to Lucille's Barbecue.
Yeah.
Everything else is fair game from ticket one.
All right. Roll the barrel.
Okay. Our first winner, white ticket. Choice of the table, 363107. 363107.
107. 107.
363107 going once.
Oh, it looks like it's Pat. How about that? Double check. Wow, huh? No walk of shame this week.
Our next winner,
Knew exactly what she wanted.
white ticket, 363740.
740. 740.
363740.
Oh.
We'll double check this one.
Double check it. 740. 45.
Sound pretty confident to me. Let's see, what do you think? What you gonna pick? Hard to tell. Tell you, if I had an inverter in my van, I'd take that on my trip and make
Our
bacon
next
and
winner,
eggs. All right.
white ticket,
Ah,
363
how about that? Comes with a box.
376. 363 376.
376.
I put a little tool set on the table for maybe one of the hooligans or your grandkids, either one.
Most of the hooligans are didn't make mail.
363 376.
376. Anybody? Wow.
Got that lucky hat on.
Yep. How about that? I wonder what he's going to pick. What do you think?
Our next winner, white ticket, 363 703. 363
Looks like he's going for the towers.
703.
Nope, I was wrong. Up. There I go. Up. Ah, he did. I guessed it. Look at that.
Another lucky hat.
Yeah, these hats are working.
After working.
Hats and shirts.
703. I got it. 5. Right there.
All right.
I can't get my arm in there with hers in there.
Okay, I wonder what's flying off this table now. I don't know. I think the drill.
Our next winner,
What's up there?
363
These three and next row.
837.
Oh, Stanley.
Yeah, Stanley's available.
363 837.
Yep, Stanley's available.
Holy smokes, too much precision.
I know, huh?
I know.
Too many choices. Makes it difficult.
Is that a half drive or a 3/8 drive?
Ah, look at it. Ah, there's that lucky
Got that
section.
lucky hat on.
There you go.
That's a 3/8. I ain't got
3/8. All right. Got a printing press.
You better not come back with another award.
All right. Let's see. Is it going to be a?
Our
Ah,
next winner, white ticket,
Stanley wins.
363 022.
022. Ah, wow. A lot of pep in that step, huh? Winner, winner. Uh-oh. Oh boy, what's it gonna be? Is it gonna be a grill to make pancakes and eggs, or
Our
chair? Yay!
362 985.
985.
362 985.
985. Oh, by the way, everybody's sitting out in their short sleeves. It's like 85 degrees, and it's like 7:30 at night. Yep. A warm Santa Ana conditioned night here in Southern California.
362 985.
985. Is that Willie? Oh, it looks like it's Tony.
There's one other one coming behind you.
Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is this the number he's looking for?
I don't know. I forget.
362 985.
Uh-oh. 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 We got developing
I have no idea.
face-off here. Uh-oh. Somebody is...
362 895.
Okay, he's got it then. Just a second.
Yeah, Lee, hang on. Don't go nowhere. Tony. Looks like Tony's a winner, but look at this.
Lee came up with the wrong number.
Oh.
Congratulations, Lee. You survived the walk of shame.
Walk of shame. Okay, I'll take it.
Nice try.
I'll take it. Thank you.
And Tony is the real winner here. He gets to win the prize. Lee got the plaque. And Tony gets the prize.
Next winner, white ticket, 363 262.
Ah. Gonna be doing some drilling. Yeah.
363 262.
262. Oh, hooligan.
I only give one award away a night.
What you saying? What are you saying, Gary? You think he might be fooling you?
Should he get the double salute?
Yeah.
All right, how about that?
Our
huh?
next winner, white ticket, 364 012.
Ah, flashlights. Needs more power.
364 012. Drop some tickets, Tom.
012. 012. Oh.
We'll double check this one.
They're all falling apart, but I'm in 3005 and 09.
Oops.
13 and 14.
Think by Joe, I think he's got it.
Alright. Take number.
Another OC car guy hat.
You're going to be upset if I don't take it.
Another lucky hat. Our next winner, 362-777.
Wow. Take those numbers to Vegas, yeah.
362.
That would have been my choice.
My wife would kill me if I didn't.
Oh, Pedro. You gotta wear a shirt or a hat. If you wear a shirt or a hat, you got a good chance of winning. Yeah, it looks like he's either walking away with a step stool or a crock pot. That's your choices.
Our next winner,
Yeah.
362-600. 362-600.
600. So 600. 600. 600. 600. Oh, I think it's Jeff Weiss. Jeff, are you the winner? How about that?
The ladder or the moose?
The ladder or the moose? The ladder.
The ladder. Yep.
Our next winner, white ticket for the moose, 363013.
Moose. 013.
363
Oh,
013.
I think it's Pat. Yeah, I went 2-1 raffle night. Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got a challenger. Uh-oh.
363-013.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's the right number?
I don't remember.
The wife said it's the right.
It is. Uh-oh.
I hope I don't want to take the walk of shame. That's
Yeah, you might. There's no prize the second time. Oh, no. I think you won.
Nice try, Pat.
This is going to be a habit that she has. Wow. Wow. How many nice tries can you get in 1 month?
It's the moose.
It's a moose, huh? How about that, huh? You get the moose. Yeah.
For the Keurig coffee maker, ticket number 363448.
448.
363448.
Keurig coffee maker. Oh.
Got that lucky hat on, Russ.
Yeah, that's it. That OC car guy hat or shirt. Mesquite Motor Mania. One day I'm going to go out to that show too. How about that?
For the $50 gift card to Lucille's Barbecue.
Now you're going to make a lot of brews.
Ticket number 364 135.
135.
364. 135.
135.
364. 135 going once.
I think we got somebody out deep. Oh, here we go. Oh, look who it is. Ah.
Got that lucky shirt on.
Yep.
Richard's this time.
Winner, winner. Oh,
It's
Her-
Richard this time.
her and Rich are going out to Lucille's barbecue.
Or the 55-inch TV.
Yeah.
White ticket. 363 466. 363 466.
466. Is that?
Wait a minute, you
Look
got
at
a
that.
lucky shirt and a lucky hat.
Wow, huh? Wow. Getting the big screen TV.
Doubled up.
Yeah, just in time.
doubled up.
Just in time for the World Series. Wow. See, when you double up, you win TVs. How about that? There you have it. Dano Live coverage of the raffle. Thanks for joining in, the OC Car Guy here at Carl Jr. Classic Car Show on Dano Vision.